And here we are in the Pascalina Montmorency exhibit. Pascalina is a plantation home that is out in Montmorency, and it was originally owned by Cyril Pascalis. Cyril, as y'all probably know, was the resident engineer of the South Carolina Railway and Canal Company, and his primary job was to survey a line from Charleston to Hamburg for the railroad. While he was here, he decided to buy land in this house. It was named Pascalina Plantation after the Pascalis family. And Cyril actually sold it to his mother. We're looking at some items that they used in the home here. Cyril actually sold it to his mother in 1835, along with the accompanying 790 acres. These were all things that were used in the Pascalina plantation home. This was the secretary desk of the Pascalis family. And then here we have Theodosia's parlor organ. And this would have been played at Pascalina in the 1870s. Here we have a slant top desk, a map of Aiken from 1834. And then the final piece in the room is the bookcase, which was used at Pascalina as well. We hope that you come join us and learn more about the Pascalis family and the wonderful community of Montmorency.